ProMaster's Video Call Light Kit 3.0 is a great solution to improve the quality of your lighting when you're on an online class or meeting. If your backlit or your ambient light just isn't that great, it'll help you look more credible and be more productive. It comes with two really easy to use components. The included basis LED Connect light is really easy to use. There's only two knobs. First is the power knob, which also acts as your dimmer. And the other knob is your color temperature, which allows you to adjust from a warm color tone to a cool color tone. The integrated battery provides you plenty of runtime, but if you want to plug it into your laptop for continuous use, you can with the included USB cable. The included hitchhiker tripod acts as a tabletop light stand, and the adjustable legs allow you to get tall enough to get up and over even a large laptop screen. You can use the hitchhiker one of two ways. When you're streaming your video call or your class on a laptop, just put the light on the tripod as I have here, adjust it for the height you need, and you're ready to go. If you want to stream your call from your cell phone, the hitchhiker has a built-in smartphone holder that simply folds out. You pop your smartphone in, and it exposes a cold shoe on top where the Connect light can pop in. To purchase these items separately, you would pay $69.90. This complete kit that includes everything that you need is only $49.95.